Hello everybody and welcome back to another weekly Stun Brothers tutorial. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your 64-piece snake cube, or magic cube, whatever you want to call it, into a tetrahedral ball shape. Although this looks very complex and difficult to learn, watching this video just a few times will help you to memorize how to solve it. Alright, so let's jump right in. So the first step in getting your snake puzzle to this shape is to make it in a flat straight line. Okay, there we go. Now once you have it like mine, let's pick it up, bring it to one end, and then flip it over so that this end kind of makes like a cliff. Like this is what I call a cliff because it's overhanging right here. So we're going to be holding it like this. Now what you're gonna do is count 1, 2, and we're gonna be counting the big ones in this tutorial. Usually we count the sides, but for this one, it's just easier to count the big ones. So count 1, 2, and then rotate kind of away from you, so that way. And then we're gonna be rotating the side one right here away from you as well. Now count 1, 2 again, and then rotate that one away from you, as well as the side one again. Okay, so now we have like one little side of it, of the finished puzzle, and then now what you're gonna do is count 1, 2, and then rotate that one towards us actually. And then we're gonna be rotating this little piece right here towards us as well. So if you notice a pattern, now we're gonna count 1, 2 again, because what we're gonna wanna do is join this face right here with like one of these faces, I think. So we're gonna be counting 1, 2, and then rotating this whole end kind of down towards it like that. Now what you're gonna wanna do is, if you're holding it like mine, I know it's hard to hold it like mine, but you're gonna be rotating this right here, this piece. Now, so if you can see, these want to join, but it really can't because you need to rotate this piece right here. So go ahead and rotate that so that they can fit together nicely like that. Okay, I know it's a very complex thing. Maybe it's hard to see too, but hopefully you can understand. Now we're gonna be rotating this piece right here so that your snake puzzle looks like this. Okay, now once you have this puzzle, this part of the puzzle, we're gonna be working our way towards us, going this way. So how we're gonna do that is count 1, 2, and then rotate this piece right here. Now we're going to be counting, we're gonna be rotating this piece right here so that it tries to join again. And like I said, we can just rotate this piece right here, and then they can snap into place like that. Okay, that's what we really want right there, this join. Okay, now we're gonna be rotating this piece so that it kind of looks like this now. Okay, now instead of working towards us, we're gonna be working away from us. So we're gonna count 1, 2, and then we're going to rotate so we're gonna count 1. So we're gonna count 1, 2, but then rotate this piece right here. And now we are going to rotate this piece right here. So as you can see, again, these are trying to join. So just rotate this piece right here, and that will allow them to snap together and join, just like that. Okay. Now, so I'm gonna kind of, I know this is a complex step, so I'm gonna kind of wait here, and then I'm gonna rotate it for you guys, just so you can follow along, because it's kind of tricky, and I have to rotate it just because it's a ball shape. Okay, so now we're gonna kind of hold it from the top, I guess, with this piece sticking out like that. I don't know if that's good, but we're going to rotate this piece right here. And then, so as you can see again, these are trying to join, but they can't. So just rotate this piece right here. I mean, you can count 1, 2 and rotate that piece. The next piece, that's what always happens. Okay, so now those can join like that. See the joining? Okay, and now we just have to put the rest of this, attach it to here, and then go in here. So how we're gonna do that is by rotating this piece right here so that it comes kind of at the center right here. And then again, we can count 1, 2, and rotate this piece right here so that these, you know, come together. And then we're gonna rotate this piece right here so that it can fit in here. Or it's going to try to fit in here, but it can't, obviously. So we're going to need to rotate it. So we're gonna need to rotate it and fit it in just like that. And if you did everything right, you will have the tetrahedral shape that I just showed you how to create. Alright guys, that is it for this week's video here on Stun Brothers. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, but I would really appreciate it if you checked out our channel down below called Stun Brothers. Here at Stun Brothers, we make awesome and interesting tutorials every week for you guys on the coolest stuff that we can learn. So go ahead and check us out, and you might even find yourself subscribing. Again, thanks for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.